Today we are going to see trigonometry exercise 8.4 solution. Now first question is express trigonometric ratio sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So first of all, three trigonometric identities you have to remember. This three identity is sin square theta, this sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Third is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So these three trigonometric identities is very, very important to solve the question of this chapter. Now, first of all, the question is express sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So sin A, अब यहाँ पे देखते हैं cot A और sin A में रिलेशन हमारा कहां से आएगा. तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं cosec स्क्वायर A माइनस cot स्क्वायर A इक्वल टू 1 और sin एंड cos एक दूसरे का अपोजिट होता है. सो वी कैन राइट sin A इक्वल टू 1 बाई cosec A and cosec A is 1 plus cot square A. Same way tan A is nothing but 1 by cot A and sec A is 1 plus tan square A and tan A we can write 1 by cot A. So in this format we can write 1 by 1 plus cot A ka whole square and 1 plus 1 by cot A ka whole square, cot square A plus 1 by cot square A, 1 plus cot square A by cot A. Write all other trigonometric ratio of angle A in terms of sec A. So here also the same thing. We know three trigonometric identities में सबसे फर्स्ट हम यूज करते हैं, हमें sec A लाना है, तो sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin A we can write 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus 1 by sec square A minus 1 by sec square A. This is sec square A minus y. So sin A in terms of sec, yani right hand side all the terms are in the term of sec and this is now cos A is reverse of sec A. Similarly, third sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So tan A left side and right hand side sec square A minus 1. Cot A equal to 1 by tan A, we can write 1 by sec square A minus A 1. Cosec A 1 by sin A, this we can write sec A by sec square A minus 1. So in this way we can find out the value. Third, sin square, this is complementary angle. So here 63 degree and here 27 degree. Now one trick is there, just you see this two angle, sum of this angle is 90 degree. So we have to convert sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Similarly, sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec. This is the complementary angle. So sin square 63 degree, sin square 27 degree. So we can write 27 degree. We can write in terms of 63 degree, that is 90 minus 63. So sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So cos square 63 degree. So this angle are same. So sin square plus cos square, that is 1. Similarly, cos square 17 and sin square 17, this is 1. So this is the value 1. Similarly, sin sorry, sin 25 cos 65. तो यहाँ का हम एंगल देखेंगे, ये कुछ भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो रहे लेकिन यहाँ का एंगल देखेंगे. तो ये हमारा 90 डिग्री आ रहा है, ये भी हमारा 90 डिग्री आ रहा है. तो किसी एक को कन्वर्ट करेंगे. sin 25 है, यहाँ पे cos 90 minus 25 we can write 65 as 90 minus 25. Similarly, cos 25 है यहाँ पे, so sin 90 minus 25. Sin square 25 cos square 25 is equal to 1. In this way we can convert. Now choose the correct options, justify your answer. So first is 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square. 9 common, sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So 9 into 1 equal to 9. Second is 1 plus tan A plus sec A, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So this type of question, what we have to do, we have to convert this in the term of sine and cos. So tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, sec theta 1 by cos theta. Now once we will see, so this is nothing but cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. So this part, once we solve, so we got this. Once we solve this part, we got this. So this is nothing but cos theta plus sine theta, cos theta plus sine theta. So cos theta plus sine theta ka whole square minus 1 square, and this is cos theta into sine theta. Once we will solve cos square theta, sine square theta, 2 sine theta, cos theta. So this is 1, this will cut, and in the denominator cos theta sine theta is there, this will cut, so answer is 2. This will cut, so answer is 2. Similarly, third, sec A plus tan A. So always trick is convert the form it in the form of sec है तो उसका उल्टा 1 by cos, tan A 1 sin by cos, 1 minus sin A. So we will solve this one. So 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A, this become 1 minus sin square A. This is cos square A, this is cos A. Now fourth, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to sec square A by, now this is nothing but 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, 1 plus cot square A. This is the formula that we have written. So इसको भी sin और cos में convert कर देंगे, sin square A by cos square A, that is equal to tan square A.